Welcome to my review of the 12-Minute Affiliate, a new system created by Devin Brown. Is the 12-Minute Affiliate really legit though, and can you use it to make real money? Today I'm taking a closer look and sharing honest and genuine review on the 12-Minute Affiliate system. So, let's go in deep. I heard about the 12-Minute Affiliate by Devin Brown through ClickBank. Initially, when I saw the name 12-Minute Affiliate, my first thoughts were this has to be a scam similar to others. I have exposed like 7 minutes daily profits and point-to-click profits. Fortunately, Devin is actually a name I recognize, as he has been involved in a number of network marketing opportunities over the past few years. Devin has also been behind numerous sales systems to promote various network marketing businesses. I don't know Devin personally, but I have seen enough of his systems to know that he is not one of these internet marketing scammers. In fact, Devin's systems have been used by thousands of people to make money. The 12-Minute Affiliate is a new product he has created to teach you how to make money from affiliate marketing. Devin shares 1 to 2 hours of solid content teaching his affiliate marketing strategies for making money online, which earn him 5 to 6 figures per month as an affiliate marketer. So it's all fine and well talking about Devin Brown and his 12-Minute Affiliate system. But if you decide to jump on this, how does it actually work to make you money? Here is an image I actually have taken from the 12-Minute Affiliate website. As you can see, the 12-Minute Affiliate system is a plug-and-play system that makes affiliate marketing easy. The system claims it can be activated in just 12 minutes and you can earn commissions in the most profitable and the biggest niches. It will allow you to build email lists and follow up with your leads for months, and it will allow you to promote affiliate products with the click of a button. Ultimately, how this works is that you gain access to a system that is designed as a sales funnel. The funnel will allow you to make money promoting products by allowing you to build an email list and follow up with these people automatically. After all, do you want to use some magic one-click software or actually learn how to make real money? After spending some time to check out this new system from Devin Brown known as 12-Minute Affiliate, I'm happy to say that it's not a scam and does actually deliver some value. If you have realistic expectations about the system, then sure, it can help you make money. One of the things that I like about 12-Minute Affiliate is that the owner of the system is very much real. Devin Brown is known in the internet marketing and network marketing niche. And this is not the first product or system he has come out with. A lot of the systems out there 0FTEN have hidden owners. So it's a welcome thing to have a real-life owner, developer present. 12-Minute Affiliate has a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can at least see how the system works and you can request a refund if you are not happy with it. It's also good that 12-Minute Affiliate has its own affiliate program, which means you can also make money promoting the system to other people. There's a Facebook group that you can be a part of when you become a member, as this will allow you to talk to like-minded people and ask questions. Though, I would prefer one-on-one coaching so you'd be able to understand how affiliate marketing really works. For enter this system, just go to description box and click on link.